people wey they are still never done. It go be like say dem dey lazy abi God no dey by their side. Hey guys, what is good? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel. In case you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Damilola and you're welcome. Please don't make this your last time, okay? It's 2025. Happy New Year, guys! Happy 2025. I pray God comes through for you this year, and I pray that all of your dreams, your goals, and aspirations comes to pass this year. How have you guys been? What's happening? What's good? I really miss talking to you guys, and I'm laughing because I know I do not have that kind of audience, but come on, I miss being here, just sitting here, creating content for YouTube and doing this. It's my first video of the year, and I thought to start by, chatting with you guys, catching up, and just updating you guys about some of my plans for the channel and even some personal goals. I hope that's okay. So, it is going to be a get ready with me video. Listen, my makeup skills might be a bit rusty because this is the first time I am picking up any of my makeup products this year. So please bear with me. Okay, let's start. I have done my skincare routine because I didn't want to come here looking ashy. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use my primer. Then we'll start again. Again, how have you guys been? I know everything that comes with New Year, new me. I know. Have you guys written down your goals? What have you done? Okay, so I'll start. As for me, in the past, I have written down my goals for the year, I think twice, but I didn't achieve more than half of everything I had on that list. So that kind of discouraged me. But this year, I'm going to do that. This morning, I'm even going to have a vision board this year. I mean, I opened my Canva app for the first time this year, this morning, and I tried to start, but I will get around it before the end of this week. So I want to like have a vision board and just write down my goals for the year. I know some people say, oh, it's not enough to write down your goals or to even have a vision board. You have to put system and plans in place. It is true. Say person wey in still don done is dey sweet for them to give advice. E go come be like say people wey their still never done, e go be like say dem dey lazy abi God no dey by their side. I'm just trying to say that it's okay if in the past years you've not achieved all of the goals you had on your list, but I feel like New Year's always feel like a fresh start. You can always start again, always start afresh, and just keep putting in the work like I plan to do. In case you don't know what vision board is, it is basically putting all of those goals in pictures. You can do that on Canva. Just type on YouTube, you will see template or how to go about it. Okay, and I don't know if I'm supposed to share it when I do it, but I don't want to jinx anything. But hopefully, as the year progresses and as I tick off those things, I will definitely come here and share. I have used my primer, now I'm going to use my foundation. Let's start with YouTube. For this year, I really want to, do better. I know I've been doing my best on this channel. I mean, I started YouTube when November, no, October last year, and this year I am excited to try out a lot of things. For the things I have been doing before, beauty, makeup, hair, skincare. I also intend to like do lifestyle content this year, just try it out, and vlogs, just make the channel exciting, entertaining, and educating. Okay, I want to make the channel as interactive as possible. When I wanted to start a YouTube channel, one of the things I really had in mind that was on top of the list was to have a community. Yeah, I really want to have a community, the people I can call my own. I really want to have a community of people here, and I'm going to try my best to achieve that this year with the help of God and with your help. Okay, so that is why when you see my video, please share, tell people to subscribe, comment, like, let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, guys, it's not easy to do this makeup and talk at the same time. I mean, I can do my makeup and talk at the same time, but I have to hold this microphone because if I keep it to my shirt, then it will pick up background noise, and we don't want that. Okay. um I have done my foundation, as you can see. While we wait for my concealer to get a bit tacky, I'm just going to say one or two. So content wise, I intend to explore other platforms. I already said I'm going to explore other niches, but I also want to explore other platforms. Last year when I started creating content, it was just for YouTube, but this year I want to try out Instagram. For Instagram, sometimes I only post on Instagram once in a year. This year I want to do better. I want to not just post pictures but also create content for Instagram and TikTok, and just all of this, some of these platforms. I don't want to say everything so that I don't know. So if you are seeing this video and you are seeing this, yeah, you can hear what I'm saying now. Please follow me on Instagram as you subscribe to this channel. Okay. Yeah. The other time I was talking about having a community and making this channel very interactive, because that is one of the things I really envisioned for the channel. Okay. So in order to achieve, I mean, that is not solely on me, because I need you guys. I really need you. Okay. So if you guys, I think as the year progresses, I'm going to be doing Q&A so that we can, connect. You get me now? So that we can connect. And if there are videos you want to see, please kindly let me know in the comment section, and I will do the ones I can do. Okay, and I will do my best. I will do my best. So let me know in the comment section, and yeah, just look out for those Q&A. This is off topic, but as I was doing my makeup in silence, something came to my mind. I remember the post I saw on Instagram during the week, and this person, how people go on Instagram and just put out content, or just upload their pictures and go about their day, and you see people in the comments trying to be mean. Ah, this is one of the things I really love talking about, but this video is not about that. Okay, but we really need to be kind to people, how we talk to people. Like my sister will always say, you don't need to know someone, you don't need to know the child of whom they are, you don't need to know who they are before you extend kindness to them, before you are kind to them. Okay, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. It's very it's very difficult to pour from an empty cup. Okay, so if you are not kind to yourself, if you are not kind to you, if you don't have kindness in you, it will be very difficult to pass it on to other people. Yeah, I just thought to like chip that in. Let's go back to our get ready with me. I will quickly do my brows off cam and I'll be back. Do not go away. Have you subscribed? Please subscribe. Thank you. For skincare this year, I really want to try out new products. Some of these products are products that I've used before, some I have never used them. I really want to just have varieties in my stash. That is because I mean, my skin is acne prone, it is very sensitive. So with consistent makeup routine and all of that, I've been able to like work on the acne breakouts and all of that. But I have hyperpigmentation and dark spots here and there. I really want to tackle that this year, fingers crossed. And some of these products are I can't remember everything, but I'm just going to mention two or three offhand. I even have one here: benzoyl peroxide. This one is OXY 10. I have used this before once. It has been long ago before I knew what I was doing with with skincare products. That was when I used it, but now that I know how to use benzoyl peroxide, I'm going to incorporate it into my routine this year. I will also, I used to use hyaluronic acid, but I don't know why I stopped. I'm talking about it as a whole, hyaluronic acid in a bottle, not inside other products. Okay, I love the plump effect it gives to the skin, and I think I really want that, so I might go back to that. I really want to try glycolic acid, and I really want to try out vitamin C again. Remember, I made a video last year where I was talking about my experience with vitamin C and all of that. So maybe I will do that, and just stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. For makeup, I intend to, do more tutorials and try out looks. You guys know my kind of makeup, okay? Subtle and classy and beautiful. I will probably stick to that, okay? But once in a while, I will do the really glamorous one. It's not a problem. I catch you. Also, I'll be trying out quite a number of products. That's why you need to subscribe to this channel, so that brands can see my video, and nobody will give their business to somebody that does not have subscribers or followers as their product to advertise. So please subscribe to my channel. I really need you guys. I intend to try out lip oil this year. I do not own one. I have never used one, so I intend to try it out this year. The girlies are talking about it and they said it's good. So yeah, I will try that out. And for hair, I will, I intend to do hair reviews, but like I said, I need you to subscribe. I need you guys, okay? Yeah, and DIY, yeah, everything in between. I catch. I am your plug. I am through with my makeup. What do you guys think? Like I said, this is the first time I am doing my makeup this year, so please bear with me. Guys, please follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, and subscribe here on YouTube. I'm going to put my handles on the screen. Also, for my YouTube video, expect videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays for long form videos like this. And on other days, you will see me on YouTube Shorts and on Instagram and other platforms. Okay, please, please, please. I know I sound like a broken record now, but please subscribe. I really need you to subscribe and follow me on all channels, on all platforms rather, so you can look out for my next video on Saturday. That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope I've been able to, like catch up with you guys. Again, I wish you a happy new year and I hope you have an amazing and fulfilling 2025. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and please share, all of that good stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.